Good afternoon. The Vice Chancellor, sir, of Godfrey Okoye University, Professor Christian Anyeke, the Chairman, Board of Trustees, Nigerian American Institute for Mental Health, the Honorable Commissioner for Health, Dr. Emma Obi, the Board of Directors, Royal Fathers, the clergy, representative of the First Lady, my dear Mama, Ochora, Umwada Igbo one, both in diaspora and in Nigeria. I greet you, ma'am. Well done for what you are doing. I appreciate you and the beautiful ladies you came with. A goodwill message delivered by the Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation, and the official presentation of the Nigerian American Institute for Mental Health, holding at Godfrey Okoye University, Enugu, this day, 13th April 2024. All protocols duly observed. It may interest you that my ministry holds this program in such high esteem that I came in from Abuja this morning. And because you like what you are doing, because we need to move a step higher than where we are. It is my pleasure to be associated with you today for the Mental Health Conference and official presentation of the Nigerian American Institute for Mental Health. Let me first congratulate you for the success of organizing this program and also commend you for putting into consideration a sensitive issue as that of mental health. I must say, we are proud of you. You have done well. Well done for what you have done. And there is no doubt that after today, at our individual levels, we're going to take it up from here because it's a very, very pertinent issue that must be addressed for Nigeria to really move forward and get things right. We must have good mental health before we can even talk of good health. We must be mentally balanced before we have good health. Mental health is a state of mental well-being that enables people to cope with the stresses of life, realize their abilities, learn well and work well, and contribute to their community. It is an integral component of health and well-being that underpins the individual and collective abilities to make decisions, build relationships, and shape the world we live in. Mental health is a basic human right and it is crucial to personal, community, and socio-economic development. Mental health is more than the absence of mental disorders. It exists on a complex continuum which is experienced differently from one person to the next, with varying degrees of difficulty and distress, and potentially very different social and clinical outcomes. Mental health conditions include mental disorders and psychosocial distress, impairments in functioning, or risk of self-harm. People with mental health conditions are more likely to experience lower levels of mental well-being, but this is not always or necessarily the case. According to the Nigerian Medical Association, 250 psychiatrists currently serve Nigerians with an estimated population of about 200 million people. This was stated during the celebration of 2020 World Mental Health Day. And I know you will also take it up from here. There's a lot I believe you have learned today. So please, you are needed in the society. And don't let us down. We're trying to catch you people young. And God will see you through as you do that. Association of Psychiatrists of Nigeria. Shortage of mental health professionals, in addition to inadequate infrastructures and poor public attitudes towards mental illness, has resulted to about 80% of people with serious mental illness unable to access adequate care. In line with the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to alleviate poverty, which is another worrisome cause of mental health issues, the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation, with the agencies domiciled under the ministry, is all out. And when I say it's all out, we are all out to ensure total inclusivity, not leaving anyone behind in the scheme of social interventions and social investments. This includes even the senior citizens and persons with disabilities. To this end, ladies and gentlemen, permit me to let me once again congratulate you for this laudable feat you have achieved today in paving way for the development of the mental health sector and improving the lives of our people through your advocacy and awareness programs. Community-based solutions, collaboration, and partnership. Be rest assured, my dear people, of the ministry's resolve to join you in contributing to the development of mental health in Nigeria. Thank you for your attention.